Hi, this is Debru Podar, a YouTube content creator for Inside IIM, and welcome back to another episode of Catapult. Well, MBA aspirants often have to take a work gap to study for CAT and other management entrance examinations due to personal reasons. And they often end up worrying whether this work gap will be detrimental in securing their dream MBA college. Well, today I'll be sharing with you my journey of not just acing CAT but also converting some of the top B schools of India after quitting my job to let you know that it is possible to get into your dream and target MBA college despite a work gap. So, let's get started.
For the past year at Inside IIM, we have been conducting one-on-one career coaching sessions as counsel, short domain-specific courses as masterclasses, and university-affiliated certificate programs. Now, we are extremely excited to announce that we have a new home for all these highly rated programs in altuni.in. So, if you are looking to earn a high salary, get a promotion, switch jobs, click on the link in the description or just visit altuni.in. Thank you, enjoy the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update. Cheers.
The nature of CAT prep is very different after you've quit your job as compared to when you're a working professional. You have more time in your hands, but unfortunately, this privilege is not always utilized most effectively. Luckily, I was quick to realize the importance of this extra time that I had with me due to my work gap, and therefore my daily prep looked something like this. Weekday morning started with lectures that built my core fundamental concepts. Weekday afternoons and evenings were spent solving practice questions and revising those core concepts, while nights were reserved for test taking and profile building activities. I started my weekend with solving full-length mocks and ended it with loads of analysis. A dedicated repetition of these activities coupled with strategizing, filling application forms of different colleges and exams, and making test timetables completed the preparatory stage of my work gap period. When you take a work gap for CAT, you can't be seen as someone solely preparing for the exam. If you do, it won't be a solid justification to the future B school interview panel as to why you quit your job or why you had to take the gap. So, it is recommended that you utilize the months leading up to CAT in productive activities that help build your profile and show worthwhile endeavors undertaken. What I did in this regard was to participate in a series of activities that not only enriched my profile but also helped me gain a better understanding of the management career that I'd like to build. Some of these activities were certification courses. I took up certain online certification courses from reputed sources like Google Digital Academy and HubSpot Academy, to name a few, to learn more about my areas of interest and develop skills in that regard. Second, LinkedIn networking and branding. I created content, built a network, and learned so many new things all through the power of LinkedIn networking, and I highly recommend you do the same. You should also focus your energy into developing your own personal brand on a professional network like LinkedIn even before you enter a B school. Third, self-development. With all this extra time that you have in your hands in your work gap period, I highly recommend that you utilize it into developing yourself intuitively on the things that you are passionate about. Some of the things that I did were reading new books, creating online content, running my own business, learning a new language, and participating in several online forums, quizzes, and competitions courtesy of Inside IIM. You can expand this list of activities to your own areas of interest and develop yourself intuitively. And finally, researching B schools. It is extremely crucial for you to have a thorough understanding of the business school that you'd like to finally enter. And therefore, you should utilize your non-preparatory time researching about these B schools, and also keep an eye out for the deadlines of the application form of these colleges, and not just that, but also the deadlines for the application form of the different entrance examinations that these colleges accept. An important point to consider while choosing to take a work gap to study for CAT is to be able to deal with the questions during B school interviews, how you justify your decision of taking that gap. Now, there could be several questions thrown your way, but some of these I'd like to highlight over here. First, you could be asked, are you unable to multitask? In this case, you'll have to talk about your learning curve, give examples of past instances where you've successfully handled and completed several activities all at the same time, and if needed, shift the focus of the conversation to other strengths of your personality. You could be asked, are you made for the corporate world? Well, in that regard, you have to be optimistic and you have to talk about how you intend to map your career goals with a desirable corporate life. You can also be asked, what did you do in your work gap period? Well, in that case, you have to narrate experiences of all the different productive activities that you took up during the work gap that enriched your profile, helped in setting up your goals, and the efforts that you took to reach closer to those goals. You can also be asked, are you an inconsistent performer? Well, you have to go back to your past experiences and talk about several instances from your life where you have shown consistency. This could be academic performance consistency or even simply consistency in the day-to-day activities that you have been performing throughout your life. You can also be questioned, are you indecisive by nature? Well, in that case, you have to give examples of how you have been in your life as a decision maker. Now, don't get me wrong, you don't always have to show that you are the best decision maker in the world. It could also be examples of poor decision making, but rather you have to shift the conversation to the lessons and learnings that you gathered from those experiences. And lastly, you could also be asked, are you someone who's unable to handle stress and competition? And is that why you had to take the work gap? Well, in this question, you have to be simply genuine about your past stressful experiences. At least in my experience, I have found being genuine and truthful about such things to be extremely helpful because it helps drive the conversation in a genuine and human manner. And more importantly, you have to highlight to the panel that you are not shying away from any competition. Instead, you are choosing to enter into a more competitive environment, if not less, by choosing to take up to study for CAT to finally attain your dream MBA college. With such strategies in place, I was able to successfully maneuver and manage several B school interviews despite having a work gap. And thankfully, I was able to convert and receive final admission offers from some of the top business schools of India like SPJ-IMR Mumbai, IIM Indore, IIM Udaipur, MDI Gurgaon, SJM SOM IIT Bombay, SIBM Pune, IMT Ghaziabad, NMIMS Mumbai, IIM Tiruchirappalli and XIM Bhubaneswar, to name a few. With an internal locus of control and a strong reason behind your decision to take the work gap, backed up by relevant and profile adding evidence, you too shall be able to get into any B school that you set your eyes on despite any kind of gap. And with that, I'd like to thank you for sticking with me till the very end of the video and for following my overall MBA preparation journey through the video series Catapult. It's been an exciting journey sharing with you my experiences of how I selected B schools, what my preparation plan was for different sections of CAT, how I prepared for non-CAT examinations, how I took up different kind of mock tests, and so on. Well, for more of such exclusive content, you can stay subscribed to the Inside IIM channel and keep up with all of the necessary content that will elevate and catapult your MBA preparation for any kind of examination. Stay safe and take care.